Hello there, friends. So glad you stopped by. Danny here from Danny's Dreams, back with another Fun with Stencils video. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of masking and stenciling, but first I was excited to share I got all of my Kraftin Kimmie swatches done for my stencil swatch catalog. So now I can just thumb through and see what they all look like without having to get out of my chair, basically. But just that way I can see exactly what I have. I will have the link below for the video where I created that so you can see. So recently I made this card, and I was going to do a video at the time, but I didn't. So today we are going to recreate. Hopefully you can see that stenciled glittery snowflakes there. There we go. And the way I created that is I stamped the image, colored it, and then stenciled it. So that's what we're going to create today. I'm going to be using the Frosty Friends Kraftin Kimmie stamp set and the Sweet Snowflakes stencil. For time purposes, I have already stamped my image and cut it out with a My Favorite Things die. Try to move this in so you can see better. And I've already colored it up. And to save time, I've also created the mask. I just use Post-it notes, stamp the image, and then fussy cut around them. I did leave this little area there so that the stencil, it would be kind of like ground there. And then you just line up your mask with your image. I only have the Post-it note just only sticky on the bottom part of it, and that's okay because the stencil will hold it down. I'm going to bring this in just to be on the safe side that we don't get any more there. I am using my Make Art station because I really like having the magnets. And then I'm just going to play around, see where I want to put those snowflakes. Since it's a smaller image, I kind of want some of the smaller ones. So I think we're probably going to go, just maybe like that. And I'm going to add those magnets. And I noticed when I created this card, sorry for my arm there, reach, it's really kind of hard to see them. I mean, in person, they're really sparkling glittery. But I thought today we might go ahead and put some ink down first and then do the glitter paste. So I'm going to use some Kraftin Kimmie Precious Pink ink first. And just lightly do some ink blending on those snowflakes. Move this magnet just a touch so we can get that. I don't really want it to be like dark, but I just wanted it to have a hint of color so that it'd be easier to see. And after watching a live video with Crafty Girl Carla the other day, she had some pink snowflakes, and I decided I want to live in a world where there's pink snowflakes. So that's why I chose pink. Just gonna let that set for a minute. And then we're gonna use Nuvo Glimmer Paste in Moonstone. And I have some press and seal on it because I've heard other crafters say that that helps keep it fresh a little bit longer. I'm gonna go ahead and open that up and bring in my palette knife, kind of mix it up a little bit. And then I'm going to just spread that on. Trying to get it an equal, even coating right over. Just so pretty. There we go. Make sure it gets into all those little nooks and crannies. And I'm going to put some of that excess back into the jar. I got this when the October add-on bundle from Kraftin Kimmie stamps. That is no longer available, so I will link to some other stores where it is available now. I do like that Kraftin Kimmie does add-on bundles each month. Usually it has chipboard, maybe paper, maybe embellishments. Like in this case, it was this Glimmer paste. Just lots of fun stuff there. I'm going to let that sit for just a minute. I'm going to get a baby wipe and wipe off my palette knife. And then we will do my favorite part, the big reveal. All right, start moving these. Peel back that stencil. Oh yeah, so pretty. And I have a container of water nearby that I just stuck that stencil in so I can clean it off when we're done. Now we're going to take off, and once you use these masks with this paste, they are just done, so I just throw them away, whereas I know some masking I keep for another time. Peel it back, and there we have a bear and a squirrel making a snowman with that shimmery, shimmery pink snowflakes. I just love that stencil. And I really, really like that Nuvo Moonstone Glimmer paste. Gives that nice, pretty sparkle, but that pink shows through. So many things that you can do. So that's my quick video today. I'm glad that you stopped by. I am going to take a little break on my stencil videos because I have some creations that I need to get caught up on for Kraftin Kimmie and some other things. But I will be back. I do have some other ideas in my brain for some more stencil videos. If you try anything, I hope that you will leave me a comment so I can come see what you create. And today is the last day of the Kraftin Kimmie stencil sale. All the information is in the description box below. So until my next video, go do something crafty for yourself, like go get crafty, go crafty shopping, or just sit back and relax. And if you like what you see, a thumbs up is always appreciated. And I'd appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel. Really trying to get to 500 by the end of December, but we'll see. And click the bell for notifications. Thanks for stopping by, and have the most awesome, awesome sparkly day.